Hello, welcome to Dragon Eat. Today I'm making spinach stir fry. I have some fresh spinach that I just washed and dried. Now I'm gonna slice up some garlic. I also have a whole dried chili and I'm gonna break it into pieces. And lastly, some Sichuan pepper. That's the prepping. Let's move on to the cooking. Before I show you the next steps of cooking this dish, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so now, as this will help me out a lot and you will see my future videos as soon as I post them. I started this channel purely because I love home cooking and I'm proud of my food culture. I want to make your life more flavorful by helping you recreate these amazing flavors at home in the easiest possible way. But I do need more support from you if you support my vision and you want to see me create new videos in a consistent way. Instead of asking for donations or tips, I want to do something that is win-win for both of us. I want to share my referral links to some great services that I have enjoyed a lot myself. By using my links and joining these services, you can get great benefits from them, and I will get a referral bonus from these companies as well. Like I said, this is a win-win for both of us. You can find my referral links in the description of every single video I post. Make sure you go through all of them and see which ones are right for you. Thank you so much for your support. To my hot wok, I'm adding in some oil. Now add in the garlic, chili, and Sichuan pepper. Stir things around and let the fragrance release. Now add in the spinach. Stir the spinach around and make sure everything cooks evenly. Now add in some salt. White pepper powder, or any other spice of your choice. Some chicken flavor concentrate, or SMG. Or you can simply skip this if you don't have any. Add in some oyster sauce. Now quickly move everything around to make everything cook evenly and all the flavors get mixed together. We don't want to overcook the spinach, so we have to move fast. Now we're ready to serve. This is such a simple, quick, and easy dish, but it's very flavorful. The garlic, the pepper, everything works so well with spinach. Give this a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you never miss a video in the future. I have a lot of amazing, authentic Chinese home cooking recipes coming up. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.